Hi, welcome my friends. Do you lack personal power certain situation in your life and you need more personal power? Yes, everybody needs it. Now, my friend, if this is the case, you are at the right place and I'm going to give you a very powerful new neuro-linguistic programming technique, and while doing this exercise, only you start feeling more personal powerful. Good idea? That's right, my friend. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. And my friend, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. So are you ready now? This exercise may require you to close your eyes. So please, if you are alone, then only do the exercise. This is an exercise. After this exercise, when you have done it, you will feel really powerful. That's right, my friend. Are you ready now? I'm sure you are ready. So now, my friend, to do this exercise, you need to pick up. You need to pick up an animal which represents power. Puma, lion, tiger, whatever you feel. An animal which is really powerful, who has more power. Pick up something. I'm sure you have picked up. Now for the exercise sake, I'm using the word puma here. Puma. You know puma, that's right. Now visualize a large puma in front of you, or the animal you have selected in front of you. Notice its color. Notice how he breathes or how walk. Really see that from the 3D. Imagine that is there right now in front of you. Really see that animal in front of you is really powerful. And now do something interesting. Step inside the puma. Imagine that you have stepped inside the puma, you are inside the puma or the animal which you have selected. And now when you are inside the puma, notice how that animal feels powerful. Notice how your perception and thinking change when you are that puma. Imagine that you are that puma, you are not the animal, you are so powerful. You see, hear and feel everything as if you are a puma and you are a very powerful person. Or if you want, you could also use a human being for this exercise who is very, very powerful, if you know somebody. Now, imagine a future event when you're feeling this power. Imagine a future event where you need this personal power. You need to feel more power. See yourself there and imagine you are there. And you are a puma. Imagine that you are like a puma or the animal which you have selected. You are that animal. You are very powerful and strong and you have a tremendous personal power and you can do anything you want. With this feeling, see yourself in the future situation where you need this personal power. See yourself in the situation and notice your happening things the way you want it to happen and you felt really powerful. Do this now. Really feel it. That's wonderful. Imagine the event is over. You came out feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful. And now when you're done, open your eyes and look around and notice how good you feel. Feeling fantastic? That's right, my friend. And now look around and now take a deep breath and think about that future event with your eyes open and notice how much different you feel now. How much more powerful you feel. So my friend, my advice is to do this exercise 3 or 4 times so you do it so powerfully so that animal or the puma or whatever animal you have selected, anytime you need more power, anytime you need a situation, you can just take a deep breath and imagine you are that animal and the personal power will come all over your body and mind. Very powerful technique, my friend. Use it 2-3 times and really make you feel powerful and be more powerful. Have more personal power right now. That's right, my friend. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. I'm sure you really enjoyed the exercise. You really learned something and really feeling more personal power inside your body and mind. So if you really liked it, click on the link below, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification to get notified every time you upload new video, and please share this video to your family, friends and your colleagues, and please wait for our new video. A lot of videos are coming. So you subscribe and click on the bell notification. You will be the first to get the notifications of a new video, and many new videos are coming. I'm looking forward to seeing you personally soon. Thank you very much and all the best.